the Masters of the Universe is out this week, so I thought I'd draw Skeletor. Probably draw He-Man as well, but Skeletor is kind of like a good one to draw because it's kind of a bit easier. So, fun fact, He-Man was like my childhood. There was like a lot of... we watched it all the time. And my parents convinced us that my dad was He-Man, and he was retired, and he had the costume in the attic. So it was probably like a way of them like, you know, now that I'm a parent, but it was like, you know, they were like, oh, you know, he used to be He-Man, so, you know, it was probably like a discipline thing. If we were acting out, my mom would say, oh, he'd put the costume on. But we actually believed it. I remember this. It's so funny. Anyway, that's just a little side story. So we'll go with the frown first. So we'll curve. And like, it doesn't go the whole way because his hoodie kind of cuts it off. Okay. So both sides. Right, up this way. And I love the look. They got him perfect. Skeletor. He-Man, yeah, they took some liberties with He-Man, but he looks like a good He-Man. Like the hair is different. There's just these like bones and wrinkles and stuff. Dots. The inside of the black of his eye here comes down and up. Now I'm not going to close this off because his hood just like closes it off. So you could draw it as well. You could draw it, just close that off and erase it afterwards if you're more comfortable doing that. But I will just finish where his hoodie is. And then he has just like glowing red eyes. So like the inside circle is pure white. So this is just a tiny white dot. And it's like the red glow comes out of there. So if you were coloring that black, you know, you'd want a little circle of red or something around before, like if you were coloring. So then his nose. So typical skeleton nose, it's an upside down love heart. So it comes around. And of course it's all black in there. And he has like little sort of ridges, sort of wrinkles and stuff just around the nose. Sort of down the center as well. So then his jawbone, so it kind of comes in, or his cheekbone technically, I suppose. It's his cheekbone. Down and up. And in towards the mouth. I think he has a crack in this side. Maybe some lines around the eye. So I suppose I could put in that hoodie, the line for the hood now, just coming down this way. So then we'll finish the jaw shape. So we'll go down this way, either side from his cheek. And then it's kind of bumpy there, and it comes down. And then his chin, just there. Right, so like you have a gap between your teeth and the edge of your jawbone. So just curves down here, and then back in, and that's black shadow inside. There's like a little edge line to the jawbone. And then we'll add the teeth. So like in the center, that's where there's two teeth that start to bump either side, right? So like that, and then the top goes right around. To there. That's fairly high up. Maybe that one should be a little bit higher then. Right, and then each of these will be like a tooth, right? So that's like different. Right, and you could have some lines just along the top of his sort of gum line there. Right, so then bottom teeth. So just bump around again. And then each of these is tooth. There might be like some black shadows in between. Some of these. And then like bumps around his gum here as well. Little textures and stuff. So, all right, so gonna have to make this up. Yay. So if I was a neck muscle, I'd come down from his jaw this way. And then I suppose if it was the hood, so maybe it's like a hoodie line as well. So we'll go like here. And then like the hood is just coming along that way. And then like tops of his chest muscles here. And then the hoodie will kind of probably finish just in behind his chest plate that he wears. Okay. So now I can't see the neck in there. I don't know if like he has any collars or anything that are supposed to be in there. So, you know. So I think that's what it's like. Right, so then just like his purple hoodie will go kind of bump around. Up around his head, down. Okay, so then his shoulders, so he's got this big sort of armored shoulder plate that goes this way. Down there. And then it comes down around. That way. And this has like lots of elaborate sort of textures and details on it, but we can't draw all that, so we'll go and add some stuff wherever we can. Like around the edges is always a good place. And like maybe some like textures in here, just to make it look a bit bumpy. We'll go around the edge here as well. Then we have a red jewel in the center, and it has like more circles around it as well. And then it's like it's got like little spikes that go in. It's kind of like a bike wheel. And then I think we just get like a bit of cape that kind of comes down over his shoulder a bit. And then there's like chest muscles and shoulder muscles and stuff all in here. Just all going this way. All right. Masters of the Universe. Looking forward to it. Skeletor. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.